Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and yesterday I put up a video of the local cement plant, and I had started way too late in the day to come over to get the video made, and so all I could see was the trucks coming in from their routes, empty of concrete. So I thought, well, I'll get up real early this morning and go over to the same part, take off again, and go to the cement plant while they're still loading the trucks. Well, I made it, and we did get to watch one truck get loaded up, which you will see. But I realized I was just getting there just in the nick of time because that was the last truck to go out. But while we're traveling over there, I want to talk to you about something. I'm pretty excited because DJI has just released a new Mavic version called the Mavic Mini, and they're only $399, and they have almost, not everything, but they have almost all the bells and whistles that the other Mavic drones have. And I say almost because they're not all there, but it has a whole lot for the price, and it's for beginners. If you are a beginner in drones and you're looking for a GPS controlled drone and you haven't got one yet, that is by far my recommendation, and the least expensive for all the things that you get from the $399. 3 years ago, I bought a Bebop. It was the FPV version, and the Bebop was had less than what the Mini has, much less. And there's the truck. That's the last truck being filled up, and you can see that they have some kind of a curtain there to keep the concrete and the particles in the concrete from getting onto that little steel roller that goes around the back that everything turns on. The front has a motor connected to it, and the back rolls on two big rollers back there. So they want to keep the concrete off of that, and that's probably the reason for that curtain. But I sped that up because it got kind of boring just looking at it. Anyway, I was talking about my Bebop. I paid $599 for a drone that would lose contact at the end of the block from where I live. I live in a high condensed Wi-Fi area. Now the truck is coming up to wash off all the excess concrete on the back. As you will see, he pulls up there and then it starts spraying the truck. Anyway, I paid that much and didn't have near what the Mavic Mini has at $399. It's GPS controlled outside, and it's pretty hard to get GPS control inside. But inside, if you want to fly it inside, it has a visual altitude control. In other words, you can move it right and left, and if there's a breeze in the house, it might move right and left and forward and back, but it stays at the same altitude. It holds itself at the same altitude, which makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about controlling that. So it can fly inside quite easily and fly outside very easily. And the Wi-Fi that it has is it's called enhanced Wi-Fi, and that's the thing I like about it. It's 5G instead of 2.4 here in the U.S. And so, like my Bebop was 2.4 Wi-Fi and not enhanced or anything, and by the time I got it down to the end of the block, I would lose contact. But with 5G, which is what I use on my Mavic 2 Zoom, I can fly out of my front porch and go a mile or two away on a good day and not lose contact. And now you see the truck is coming out, and he's going to pull a little further forward, and he's going to spray off a bunch of this concrete that the other sprayer didn't. What was I saying? Oh, I was talking about the Wi-Fi. So it's not just regular Wi-Fi, it's enhanced, and I don't know anything about it. So be looking forward to some videos, because I don't know how long it's going to take to get here. I just ordered it today, but I got to thinking, if you're looking for a reasonable priced GPS video, by the way, it takes a very sharp video, and it takes the 2.7, not the 4K, but the 2.7, which is, 2.7 is pretty close to 3, which is just the number below 4. So it's not 4K, but it's very, very sharp. And by the way, what I'm learning about YouTube, when I upload my 4K videos, they don't come out always looking 4K, because I think YouTube downgrades them a little bit. So 2.7 might just be fine. Anyway, if you're looking for a inexpensive DJI drone, they just came out with one for $399. Now you can pay $499 and get what would be like the Go Fly pack. I forget what they call it. And then you get a couple of extra batteries and a case to carry it in and all that. And I don't know if that's worth $100 or not. I know the batteries might be, but anyway, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm looking forward to seeing it arrive in the mailbox. And so this video isn't about me getting a drone. It's about that guy driving away in the truck. But I want to thank you for watching it, and God bless.